A narration.
Teacher, I went to the beach yesterday.
Is it? What did you see there?
I saw ships and boats.
Did you touch the seawater?
Sorry, teacher, my mother didn't allow me.
That's correct. You are only a child now. Then what did you do?
I flew a kite with friends. I also rode on a horse.
Excellent. I think you have enjoyed the day very well.
Yes, teacher.
About handwriting.
Look here, Sandhya. Your handwriting is not at all clear. I can't read anything in your notebook.
Sorry, friend. I bought a new pencil yesterday. It writes very lightly.
Ask your father to get you a new branded pencil. Now use this one.
How kind of you, Harni. Thank you.
Not at all, please.
In the classroom.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Today, I'm going to ask you about your family. I'll start from Neha. Come on, Neha. What's your father?
He's a lecturer, teacher.
And your mother?
She's a housewife.
Neha, you can even say homemaker instead of housewife. Well, do you have brothers and sisters?
Teacher, I have a brother, no sisters.
That's all right. Sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
Highlighting a hobby.
Teacher, please add this rose. It's from my garden.
Wow, very beautiful. Do you have any other flowering plants in your garden?
Yes, teacher. I have jasmine, hibiscus, and marigold plant.
Is gardening your hobby?
Yes, teacher.
That's really good. Look here, children. Gardening is a hobby. You must try to develop interest in gardening.
Yes, teacher. Thank you.
In the classroom.
Meher, have you finished the classwork?
Yes, teacher.
Can you give your notebook to Kamali? She has to copy at home.
No problem, teacher. I've already copied the same in my homework notebook too.
That's good. I appreciate your forethought.
Thank you, teacher.
In the classroom.
Excuse me, teacher. Aisha has taken my pencil. But Kavita has taken my book, teacher.
Hey, stop that. Kavita and Aishu, both of you come here. Now give back the pencil and the book. You should not take things that don't belong to you. It's a bad habit.
Sorry, teacher. Hereafter, we will not shake other belongings.
That's good. Keep it up.
About a photograph.
Teacher, please see this photograph.
Very nice. Can you tell me who they are?
Sitting on the chair is my grandfather.
Okay.
My father is on his right.
I think on his left is your grandmother.
Exactly.
And you're sitting on your grandpa's lap.
Perfectly correct.
Hey, what happened to your mother?
Oh, she was the photographer then.
That's good.
On the playground.
Teacher, we would like to play cricket.
Okay, go ahead. But don't quarrel among you.
I bat first.
Then I'll bowl. Hey, I'll do the wicketkeeper's job. I hope I'll be the umpire.
We will do the fielding for you.
Then remaining students be the spectators.
That's fine. Thank you, children. You have your own decision. Start playing.
Extending an invitation.
Vashantara, when are you put up?
At Pamal, teacher.
Do you live in an apartment?
Now, teacher, I live in an independent house.
Oh, that's nice.
Teacher, can you come to my house and have a cup of tea?
Oh, sure. Thank you, Vashantara, for inviting me.
It's my pleasure, teacher. Thanks.
A visit to market.
Shweta dear, are you ready?
Of course. I'm ready, Mom. I'm waiting for you in the drawing room.
Have you taken the basket?
Yes, Mom. Where do we go?
To market.
Market? But how do we go?
On a vehicle. Take my helmet.
You need your helmets for the next street?
Or else the traffic police will fine us.
Shall we go by the temple road?
Why?
I would like to see the elephant.
Okay, I'll also buy some flowers there.
Mommy, for me a beautiful rose.
I'll buy some fresh vegetables. You please go and collect the bakery items.
Mom, don't forget the onions. You told me to remind you.
Thank you, dear. You have to purchase only cakes and biscuits. No chocolates, mind you?
Oh, Mommy.
No. Go fast and collect your items. It's getting late. I have to prepare food for your daddy.
Okay, Mom.
Getting a balloon.
Mummy, please get me a balloon.
Which one? This or that?
The red and yellow one, Mummy.
Here you are. Are you happy?
I am very happy, Mom. Thank you.
Appreciating your work.
Wow, what a fantastic painting, Kishore.
Pradeep, could you believe that is my work?
Quite interesting. Are you attending any painting classes?
Yes, nearer to my house.
Oh, that's the matter. You are really lucky. Practice maketh perfect.
Yes, it's true.
A telephone conversation.
Mom, this is Balaji here. When will you be back home?
Around 7 p.m.
Can you get me a packet of colored pencils on your way home?
Hi, what's the matter?
Tomorrow there is drawing competition in our school.
That's really nice. Your job is done, okay?
How nice. Thank you, Mom. Bye.
Bye.
At home.
Maggie, what happened? Why are you limping?
I stamped on a glass piece. It has hurt me, Mother.
My God, I've already warned you not to walk barefooted.
Sorry, Mom. I'll be careful hereafter.
It's okay. Come on, let's go to the doctor.
Introducing others.
Hello, Ram. Meet my new friend Vijay. He is my neighbor. Vijay, this is my friend Ram. Hi, Ram. How do you do? Hi, Vijay. How do you do? By the way, Ram, where are you from? I'm from Pune. My father is transferred to Chennai recently. How nice. I have got one more friend. Thank you, Divya, for this new friendship. Oh, that's all right. Come on, let's go to a hotel.
In the classroom.
Good morning, children.
Morning, teacher.
Please sit down, all of you.
What's at today's task?
Today, you all have to speak a sentence on how to behave inside the classroom.
We should maintain silence. We should be polite with our classmates. We must not throw papers on the floor. We should avoid running here and there inside the classroom. You must not jump over the benches.
Very good, children. Not only this, you must be attentive in your class. Hope you will all follow these golden rules.
Yes, teacher.
Our green project.
Divya, you look so disturbed. What's the matter? I'm planning to make our school ground neat. That's a good idea. We will select 2 members from each class for that work. How about each member taking charge on alternate days? That's really sound nice. By the way, why don't we plant some saplings to make our ground look more green? It's really a superb idea. Again, come on, let's try our green project right now.
Teacher, please see this book. My friends presented it to me.
It's excellent. Students, if you want to present anything to your relatives, friends, put your choice to good books.
I received Harry Potter 5 as a gift from my brother.
That's nice. Slowly, you can have a small library on your own.
We understood the value of reading books. Thank you, teacher.
That's good.
In the classroom.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Can you tell me what is the significance of this year?
Yes, teacher. We hope this is the silver jubilee year for our school.
You're correct. We have successfully completed our 25 years of academic service. On account of that, our school has planned to award the best outstanding student from your class.
Oh, nice.
Can you guess?
Is it Archana?
Is it Suresh?
I think it must be Sneha.
You're perfectly right. Sneha is the best outstanding student.
Congrats, Sneha. We are very proud of you.
Spending summer vacation.
Student, your summer vacation starts from tomorrow onwards. Have you any plan on how to spend your holidays?
Teacher, I'm going to my grandma's house in a village. Teacher, my father has arranged a family tour to Delhi. How happy we are.
Teacher, I am going to attend the summer coaching class. We have swimming, drawing, and spoken English classes, etc.
That's very nice of you, students. You are really spending your summer holidays in an useful way. Wish you happy holidays.
Thank you, teacher.
Inter-school drawing competition.
Congratulations, Lohita. You have won the gold medal in inter-school drawing competition.
Thank you, teacher. I can't believe it because they gave me the title on the spot.
It's great. Look here, students. Her creative and innovative skill made her to be the topper.
Wow, it's really amazing.
Asking for help.
Excuse me, would you mind giving me your dictionary?
I'm sorry, I don't have at the moment.
Oh, don't you worry. I will try the library.
Okay.
Winning the first prize.
Arjun, I am pleased to hear that our project has won the first prize.
Yeah, me too. When our ma'am made the announcement over the mic, I danced for joy.
First of all, we should thank our guide teacher. Don't you feel so?
Obviously, her valuable guidance worked out successfully.
Come on, let's thank them now.
Telephone conversation 1.
Good evening, Srinath here.
Good evening, I'm Varun.
Sorry to disturb you, Varun.
Oh, that's okay. What's the matter?
I've misplaced my diary somewhere in the class.
My goodness, how will you manage your homework?
That's why I need your help. Can you read out from your notebook?
Why not? Please take down.
That's very kind of you. Please go ahead. Thanks.
Good evening, teacher. I'm Lohita speaking.
Good evening, Lohita. What's the matter?
Am I disturbing you, teacher?
Not at all. In fact, I like your interest in learning. Go ahead.
Teacher, I need some information regarding global warming. Could you help me to search in the internet?
Certainly. I really appreciate your earnestness. Moreover, I came across an interesting book regarding this in our library. It's a new arrival. You can refer to that too.
That's very kind of you, teacher. Can I meet you tomorrow?
Why not? You're always welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
Telephone conversation.
Hello, this is Nirita speaking. Will you please call Chitra?
Sure, please hold on.
Hello, Chitra here. Hello, Chitra. I'm Nivita. Am I disturbing you?
Not at all, please. May I help you?
Chitra, I miss my school too. I would like to join in your vehicle.
Oh, I don't mind. Please be ready at sharp 9 o'clock.
May I hang up?
Right, please.
Inviting to a show.
Hello, I'm Raj. I like to speak to Ravi. Ravi speaking. Hi, Ravi. Long time no see. What's the matter? Nothing special. Ravi, don't you know the special show about planets tomorrow? Yes, I got the news from my mummy. I'm going to the show. Are you interested? Certainly. I'll ask my mom and let you know. Then I'll be waiting for your call. Okay, bye then. I'll call you back in half an hour. Thanks, bye.
Mother's friend.
Excuse me?
Who's that?
I'm Renu Auntie, dear.
Oh, I'm sorry, Auntie. Please come in.
Hi, Maha. How are you?
I'm fine, Auntie. Thank you. How are you?
I'm very fine. Thanks. By the way, where's your mother?
She has gone to market, Auntie.
Oh, I see.
Auntie, shall I make coffee for you?
How sweet of you. My choice is coffee with less sugar. Thank you.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Offering help.
Mom, it's boring. May I help you in the kitchen?
By all means, have you finished your homework?
Mom, my school job is over. I'm a free bird.
Okay then, help me to chop these vegetables, please.
Sure. How nice of you, Mom.
Asking for help.
Mummy, are you free now?
No, I'm not.
What are you doing, Mom?
I'm rolling the chapatis. What's the matter?
Could you please help me with my assignment?
Certainly. Can you wait for me sometime? I'll join you.
Thank you. How nice of you, Mom.
Road accidents.
Mom, I read this in today's newspaper.
What's it about?
It was a road accident. Now, how to avoid such accidents?
I'm sorry, my dear. Nobody follows the traffic rules correctly. Such accidents have become common.
Mom, my friend's father is a careful person, but he got involved in a motorbike accident while walking on the platform.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's due to reckless driving, or the person may be a learner. How is he now?
Quite comfortable, the doctor says.
Asking for information in a shop.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, may I help you?
I want a geometry box of a good brand.
Sorry, we have no stock at the moment.
When do you supposed to get it?
Positively coming Saturday?
Thank you, ma'am.
Asking the way.
Excuse me, can you help me to reach the railway station?
Oh, sure, ma'am. Please go straight and take the second left.
Is that all?
You have to walk a few yards to reach the fountain there.
Then,
Take the left side lane of the fountain. You'll reach the railway station.
thank you.
It's my pleasure, ma'am.
A visit to a place.
Hi, Preeta. When did you come back after your tour to Delhi?
Only last night, Shweta.
Have you enjoyed your trip?
Yeah, very well.
I had been there only last month.
I enjoyed the climate very much.
Oh, I too enjoyed the pleasant climate.
At the restaurant.
Mom, today I'll give you the treat. Let me place the order.
Okay, please be quick. I'm terribly hungry now.
Waiter, please, 4 plain naan and 2 plates of vegetable salads. Enough?
Don't forget the dessert items, please.
Yes. Waiter, 1 ice cream in vanilla flavor and 1 sweet lime juice.
Oh, that's okay for me. Thanks.
Not at all, please.
At the clinic.
Good morning, doctor. I've come with Roshan for the vaccination.
Ma, no injection, please. I'm scared.
Don't get afraid, Roshan. The syringe is disposable and painless. It protects you from jaundice.
Can't you give me tablets instead of injection?
No tablets, but I'll get you your chocolate, okay?
Thank you, doctor.